welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Barbecue spare rib with a homemade sweet barbecue sauce. And I'm also serving on the side coleslaw. These are the ingredients that I will be using for my sauce. Red pepper flakes, garlic powder, salt, dried mustard powder, molasses, honey, celery salt, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder, grated ginger, Worcestershire sauce, diced onions, brown sugar, lemon juice, apple juice, ketchup, and the ribs. I've already washed them and rinsed them in cold water, and I pre-boiled my ribs in lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and black pepper. Now the next step is we're going to take the ribs, and I have the rub here already mixed in this bowl, and I'm going to rub it on the ribs. See? Now, what I'm going to do is put them in the refrigerator and let them marinate for about an hour. Then we will come back for the next step. Now, let's move on to making the sauce. I have a sauce pot here, and we're going to add the ingredients. The ginger, the Worcestershire sauce, the lemon juice, the brown sugar, the diced onions, the apple juice, the ketchup, come on, jump in that pot. The molasses, the honey, As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. The dried mustard, garlic powder, and the salt. We'll stir everything up together, and I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer for about an hour on medium-low heat. While the sauce is simmering and the ribs are marinating, let's move on to making the coleslaw. First of all, these are what we're going to be using to make the dressing with. Black pepper, onion powder, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, evaporated milk, apple cider vinegar, sugar. I'm using diced red onions in mine, white cabbage shredded. I bought the cabbage already shredded, but I shredded up the carrots myself. Here's the carrots and the red cabbage. We are putting the ingredients together now for the coleslaw. Now we're mixing everything up together. Let's give a little taste to see if everything is correct. Delicious. Nothing else it needs. Now I have a bowl here that I'm going to put the ingredients in. Now we mix in all those cabbages together with the carrots and the onions. I've had all the dressing. Now we're going to mix everything together. And after we coat all the vegetables We're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 2 hours. This coleslaw can keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. So that is why I'm making a little bit at a time. The rest can put away in a Ziploc bag, and then I can make more when I want it. Let's see if the sweet barbecue sauce is ready. Yes, it looks ready to me. So we'll turn it off and move on to grilling the ribs. Now it's time to add the ribs to the grill. Now you can add liquid smoke to this to get that outdoor flavor you're looking for, but I didn't add that. There we go. I added smoked paprika for me to give that authentic flavor. So we're going to let this grill here for maybe 20 minutes on each side. Let's see if it's time to brush the sauce on. Yes, it is. Then when it cooks on this side, we'll flip it over and brush the sauce on the other side. Okay, we'll let it cook on that side for about 10 minutes. Then we'll flip it and do the other side. Let's see if it's ready to flip it over to the next side. Yes, it is. Now, we're going to brush it on that side. Here you have it, pork spare ribs in sweet barbecue sauce. And this is the coleslaw that will accompany it. This is a good recipe to make for a cookout or a barbecue on those hot summer days. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video.